Hello everyone, this is ZR Record Sri Lanka. Today we are going to start our new Ableton Live session. This is the full course of Ableton Live 9. If you are a beginner, this is the best opportunity to learn about Ableton Live. So let's get started. What is the Ableton Live and why do we use it? Ableton Live is a digital audio workstation that can compose and produce music in any kind of music categories. There are so many music producers, composers in the world are using this software to make their own tracks. Using Ableton Live, you can produce your own melodies, beats, loops, samples, tracks and etc. This workstation is the best way to start your own projects. So let's get started. First of all, we have to understand the PC requirements. Ableton Live 9 required 2 GB random access memory and 256 VGA and 100 GB of hard disk space. And if you have separate sound interface, it will also help to increase the audio quality performance. Now we go to install the Ableton Live 9. We have mentioned the Ableton Live 9 download link in our video description. You can download from that link. Now run the x86 setup file. Then click next, next, OK. Now it's getting few time to install. The installation time is depend on your PC performance. Okay, now it's finished. Now we have to authorize Ableton Live 9. First of all, disable the Windows Defender for small time. Now copy the patch to Ableton Live installed location and paste it. Okay, now run the patch. It's opened. Now click patch. Okay, it's finished. Now the authorized version successfully installed on your PC. Click the authorized.auz file to open the Ableton Live. Okay, now Ableton Live is opened. Now go to options and click the preferences. Go to the license maintenance tab and disable the automatic updates. Disable the automatic updates allow you to work Ableton Live within internet connection. If you enable the automatic updates, the official website automatically launch in your web browser and sometime your software authorization will be cancelled. So better thing is turn off the automatic updates. Now all is completed. The first lesson is over. You can mention any problems in comment section in Sinhala or English language. We will help you. Please subscribe our channel to get new tutorials. Thank you.